Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel Technology. So I'm fine, I hope you guys will also doing well. So I'm back with yet another video for all those who have tough time dealing with deleted or lost data. So before continue this video, make sure that you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. So today I have come up with the software is called Recover It. The software will help you in recovering all the deleted or lost data, not just from your PC but any other platform like pen drive, SD card, etc. Having a high-tech recovery tool to recover data from any device, Recover It has proved itself better than other company. So if you want to know how to recover your deleted data from your device, then you just need to follow me. So before letting you know how Recover It works, let me delete some file as a part of demo. So I will go to my computer, and after that I will delete some file from this partition which is called I. So here is a 10 GB partition as you can see. So I will go under that partition and I will delete all these photos from here. Just right click over there and click on delete. As well as I will delete from recycle bin also. Just right click and click on empty recycle bin. So you have to remember the device or storage from which your file has been deleted. So after that you have to go to this website which is called recoverit.wondershare.net. So download will be free. So you have to click on this free download, and after that automatically one software will download on your computer. So I have already downloaded and installed this software on my computer. So I will directly open that software on my computer. Now after open Wondershare Recover It, you have to select that drive from where your file was deleted. In my case it is I. So I will select here I. Now click on start. Now this will consume some time because of course so many files will be there which will be loaded back. After scan completed, you have to click on got it. Now you have to select that file which you want to recover. Something awesome about this software is if the data is image, you can see the view in preview. So no need to opening the file and checking. So select the file and after that click on recover. Now here you need to select your drive where you want to save your recovered data. So I will select here J drive. So as you can see, here is a J drive. So click on recover and after that it will create automatically one folder as you can see. And it's recovering the files. So now if I'll go to under this folder, as you can see my files are successfully recovered. So now coming back to the version, as I already mentioned, this paid version has three options: Essential, Standard and Advanced. Essential has all the features mentioned earlier. Whereas in Standard along with Essential pack, it also has features like saving from blue screen death, recover from crash PC, etc. Advanced version come with advanced features of the previous two and also previous video recovery. It is also provides bootable data recovery, which means that your data will recover in case your system crash or device damage. This software is 100% safe product being virus safe, and guess what? It also has 7 days money back guarantee. Also they have 24/7 line to clear your queries. So guys, I hope this video will really help for you. If you have a second thought always after deleting something, this software can be proved to be your savior. So go and check out this amazing software and share your experience in the comment section. So I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.